Hey peeps, what's up? Manji here, back with another video. And with the December drop of the Google Pixel software update, Google decided to add 4 new Bloom Live wallpapers for the Pixel series. Now, how do you get these new Pixel 7 Bloom Live wallpapers on your Android device? First of all the files, all the applications which we're using in this video are linked in the description of the video. So the first thing you need to do is you will go to the Google Play Store, and herein you need to search for an application called Google Wallpapers. Once you do that, you should install this application called Wallpapers by Google LLC. The next thing we need to do is we need to search for another application which will let us install APKs. Now you can use any file manager which you want to. I prefer to use FX File Explorer. Once we have installed both these applications, we can go ahead to our application drawer, and herein let us first open the wallpapers app, and on the top you will see a message about allow access to storage. So tap on this. On the next pop-up, select allow. So now this application has access to our storage. And if I go into the live wallpapers section, you will see I do not have any Bloom Live wallpapers. Next thing you need to do is you need to open FX File Explorer, accept the terms and conditions, allow it access. As for the trial, we can skip that and then download the Pixel 7 Bloom Live Wallpapers APK, which is linked in the description of the video. And then we will go into main storage, and once that is done, you can go into the download folder, because this is where all the files are downloaded. If you download them on your device directly, select this file, and if your super secure operating system gives you a pop-up about the dangers of side-loading APKs, make sure you read it. And of course you do need to let the file manager install APKs on your device. And we are going to install this Pixel 6 or Pixel 7 Bloom Live Wallpapers APK onto our Android phone. Now, once that is done, we can go back to our wallpapers application, and bam, there it is. You can see we do have the live wallpapers, and the new ones are your flamingo, the Persian buttercup, the Maki Dahlia, and there should be one more which unfortunately I don't see. Okay, yes, boat orchid. So this is the other new one. And then you select the live wallpaper and say set wallpaper, home and lock screen, both. And because this is a Poco device, it is giving me issues, but I do have this same port installed on another device. So here it is. This is a Mi device, and this one has the very same port installed, and it is working without any issues. So if I go in the live wallpaper section, here it is. These are all the live wallpapers. Let us try the flamingo one. Apply it to home and lock screens, and once it is applied successfully, bam, there it is. You can see working without any issues. Now the only downside is that it is not going to work on the lock screen. On a Google Pixel device, it works on the lock screen as well. You have the live wallpaper working like a boss on the lock screen and on the home screen, but on the port, on the lock screen, you might just have a static image like we have over here. You can see that we do have the animation effect coming in when you unlock the device, but the Bloom Live wallpaper is not moving around on the lock screen.